So today, your girl is going to be a beauty guru for a day. Okay, so at this point, I think I'm just going to be ugly or just mess up my face because I'm about to attempt to contour.
You got it going on. Yeah, you got it going on.
What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SHAKUR, bitch, the only urban goddess on this YouTube platform. Like, sis, did you forget? So today in this video, I'll be doing my makeup once again instead of doing it regularly. I'll be doing it zooted. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment some videos that you guys want me to do. So let's get into the actual video. Okay. The struggle be so real. Okay, y'all, so we're about to go ahead and get this thing cracking, okay? I just want to put out a little disclaimer. If the setting looks kind of darker on throughout the video, I'm sorry. The lighting outside is terrible and the sun is going down. So yeah, I just want to say that. So like every other beauty guru, I already know you got to start off right. You got to start off right. So I'll be wiping my face with Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Rags. I'm not gonna say that word because I just don't feel like saying it. Towelettes. Every beauty guru do this. I hope so. And if you're not cleaning your face, then you're not a beauty guru. Okay, so boom. Now that your face is clean and stuff, we're about to go in and we're gonna moisten this face on up, okay? Y'all, I don't know what this is going to do. This is the Magic Collection Coconut Water Hydrating Mist. I don't necessarily know what it do, but it's like the more affordable and Mario Badescu spray. I love Mario Badescu, but we're about to get... Ooh! Whoa, look at that glow. Yeah, I like that. I like that. What's next? Eyebrows. Okay, so y'all, I never used this before. I am using the NYX eyebrow gel and I got it in the color Espresso. I never used this product before. So I'm about to get off camera and do my eyebrows and then I'm going to come back ready. Okay, y'all, so this is the best that I can get. And all I can say is I like the product. The product is good. It's good. So now we're about to get into the base of the makeup. Yeah, so we're about to go ahead, prime up. Okay, so now I'm about to go in with my foundation. I'm using the Fit Me Maybelline 360 in the color Mocha. Now I know, big boss status. Like, this foundation costs $15, and if y'all want a ball like me, then I think you should get it. So now I'm about to go in with my brush that I got from Tom Ford. Okay, we're about to, ooh, yeah. Yep. Yep.
I'm not gonna be here for long.
Okay, so almost every beauty guru has this, and this is the LA Girl Concealer, and I got it in the color Fun. Now, I don't necessarily know if this is the color for me, but we're about to see, and we're about to go ahead and highlight. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's a lot.
Big boy.
So now we're about to bake. To be honest, y'all, I think this is my favorite part. I like this. I like baking. It's fun. So I'll be using the Airspun loose face powder. Y'all, this stuff is oh so good. Damn, I'm losing stuff. Okay, y'all, so now we're about to contour, and I'm about to go in with this Black Radiance palette, True Complexion Contour Palette, medium to dark.
Let me hit record this video.
So now we're about to get into the, oh shit, foundation. Wait. Bear with me, bear with me. I know I'm about to bring out the big guns. I know y'all don't got it like me. $7.99 for a palette. Drop $500 on this one, like. Okay, y'all, so we're about to get into the eyeshadow. I am using the NYX eyeshadow base in the color white. I'm nervous because I don't really know how to do eyeshadow, so let's go. I don't know what color I'll be using today. I'm going to FaceTime a friend. I'm going to FaceTime my cousin. Hopefully she answers. Cousin, I have a question. What eyeshadow color should I use? I'm recording a makeup video and I'm geek AF.
Whatever that is you got on right now, you need to take off.
Girl, it's the base. Just tell me, what color do I need to use?
What you wearing?
I ain't wearing nothing. I'm just doing it for a video. Just give me a color.
Pink.
Damn.
Alright, I want a picture when you done this.
Alright. I already know what colors I want to use. I want to use this, probably this and this. This and this. So we're going to go ahead and go in with this pink color. And we're about to head straight into disaster. Alright, y'all, so we're about to turn up in this thing, I swear.
My third day out here.
Put it all up in there. I want all of it. All of it.
This is a tagged
face. So okay, y'all, so clearly at this point I'm sober, like I'm wide awake. Now I'm about to go in with my lip gel, lip gloss. I love lip glosses that have like a tint to it, because it gives my lips a tint. Now we're about to highlight with the highlight from this palette, and we about to go stupid, go crazy, go crazy, go stupid. Ooh. Ha. Ooh. Mm. So now we're about to set the face. We're done. Let it be, let it be, let it be. I feel like I have to get dressed now, get somewhat cute, because I feel like I look pretty. Let me, oh no. Who did that? I know it wasn't SHAKUR. Let me find out. Y'all, this is the best I ever did. Y'all, this is cute AF. Off rip, I already know I did better than what I did last time, clearly. But, y'all, I look good. I really outdid myself. Whoa. But yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment some things down below. What video y'all guys want me to do next? What you guys think about this look? And yeah, that is it for me being a beauty guru for a day. I hope you guys learned some tips from me. Duh. But in all seriousness, y'all, thank you guys for watching so much. And I'll be returning to doing my hair videos.
You know I get out there quick. What they said, tell them get on my dick. Stepped out, not like a brick.